Simple, sleek, slim, sexy, and suave? Sure, yeah, that sounds about right. This might be the slim wallet of your dreams, and it's absurdly affordable. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, in my quest to find the perfect slim wallet, I'll be examining the Travelambo Slim Wallet. It's a very popular minimalist front pocket wallet that's been sold to millions of people, and it's notable for its affordability and compact design. I'll walk you through its features, show you what fits inside, how it compares to some other slim wallets I've reviewed recently. So, let's get started. There's very little to tell you about the unboxing because the Travelambo comes in just a small Ziploc bag. Inside, you'll just find the wallet itself, and that's about it. No fuss, no instructions, just the wallet. The Travelambo Slim Wallet measures about 4.4 by 3.1 inches and weighs just 28 grams. So it's super lightweight and discreet in your pocket. It's available in a whopping 35 different colors and finishes, though that will depend on which country you're shopping from. This is the coffee color I have here. As for size, it's slightly larger than a standard credit card, which I suppose can make it a bit less streamlined than some of the absolute slimmest wallets out there. But it's much more comfortable than a traditional bifold or trifold wallet, and more comfortable than a metal wallet as well. As for the material itself, Travelambo says they use genuine leathers. But if you know anything about the various grades of leather, you'll know that genuine leather is one of the cheapest types out there. So take that into consideration. Really, it's unsurprising considering this wallet only retails for $10 on Amazon. That said, the leather does feel nice, but given it's a low grade, I expect that the exterior of the wallet's going to scratch fairly easily over time. Overall, it's a surprisingly handsome wallet, and I don't even mind the nice little embossed logo down here. I've been living with this wallet for about a week now, and for something that costs less than what you'll pay for bacon at the grocery store these days, it's a pretty solid little slim wallet. It's designed for front pocket carry, making it pretty comfortable for everyday use. And it features 6 card slots, plus a clear ID window and a dedicated cash pocket as well. In my use, I found that you can comfortably fit about 6 to 8 cards and a few folded cash bills inside without it feeling too bulky. Some reviewers have managed to stuff up to 10 cards, but that really pushes the limits of what the Slim Wallet is ultimately designed for, to be slim. The slots feel nice and snug, and even filled out the wallet does a nice job of staying relatively slim. On the other hand, one thing I noticed, and this is echoed by other reviewers as well, is that while the cards fit snugly, it can be a bit tricky to pull out the cards from the middle slots, especially if you load it up. I wish that there was some sort of mechanism here to sort of pull out the cards more easily. According to Travelambo, the wallet features a thin layer of silver embedded to enable RFID blocking. And that'll keep most cards safe, but apparently it doesn't work on the same frequency as building entrance cards or hotel cards work. So just be mindful of that. Okay, let's have a look at how it compares to a few other slim wallets I've reviewed recently. All right, let's review some of the pros and cons. First, the pros. The wallet features an amazing slim design. It's super lightweight. It has decent card and cash storage, and of course, it's super low cost. It also features RFID blocking, and it's available in a ton of different color and finish options. As for the cons, yeah, this wallet's really not designed for anybody that likes to carry their wallet in their back pocket. Who are you people anyway? It's made of relatively cheap materials, and I can imagine it's not going to wear great over time, but considering it only costs 10 bucks, well, you can buy like 5 of these. Overall, the Travelambo Slim Wallet is a fantastic value for anyone looking to lighten their everyday carry. It's slim, secure, and pretty stylish with just enough space for your essentials. If you want an incredibly affordable wallet that, let's face it, probably won't last very long, but it'll keep your pockets comfortable, this is a decent choice. All right, that's it. If you've tried the Travelambo Slim Wallet, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews like this one. If you want to pick up one of these for yourself, I've left a link below in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.